Thank you for joining. Today we will be doing some factorization of algebraic expressions. This section is imperative because it is the fundamentals of algebra. Every section leading forward is going to require you to have this set of skills. So let's begin. In the first question, I see that 6 is going to be a common factor, right? If we see the factors of 24, it can be 6 multiplied by 4, it can be 3 multiplied by 8, 24 multiplied by 1. However, it's only the first one that is relevant because we have a 6 in there which is common. So I pull out the 6, open brackets, x plus 4. If I multiply this out, 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 4 is 24. So I get the exact same thing. Now let's move on to B. Here I see the common factor being x and also 4. Right? I see the 8 can be split into 4 and 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So let's put out 4x, open brackets, 2x minus 1. Let's check that quickly. 4x multiplied by 2x, that's 8x squared. 4x multiplied by minus 1, that's minus 4x. So that's what we want. Let's move on to C. In C, xy is our common factor, and with regards to the coefficients, I think 2 is the most likely factor. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Let's factor that. So 2xy, open brackets, 3 plus 5x. If we multiply this out, 2xy multiplied by 3 is 6xy. 2xy multiplied by 5x is 10x squared y. Let's move on to D. Our common factor is m squared. So let's put out the m squared, open brackets, m squared minus 3. If we multiply this out, we're going to get m to the 4 and minus 3m squared. Let's just say we made a mistake with the factoring. Not a mistake, but we didn't see ahead, right? Let's say we said m is a factor, right? So we end up pulling out the m. We have m to the 3 minus 3m, right? And then we suddenly realize, okay, we still can also factor out another m. So we factor out another m, we get m squared minus 3. And that is essentially m squared, open brackets, m squared minus 3. And it's exactly the same thing as before. Let's move on to E. Here we have more terms. Common factor definitely x. You see x is common there for all. In terms of the coefficients, it's going to be, in this case, I see it being 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 6 is 12. So let's pull out 2x, open brackets, 3x plus 4 plus 6y. Let's check our answer quickly. 2x multiplied by 3x is 6x squared. 2x multiplied by 4 is 8x. 2x multiplied by 6y is 12xy. And that is it. In the next video, we will be doing these questions.